Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the KISS Products Ceramic Instawave 1 Automatic Curling Iron. Tip: try it on a weekend or sometime when you can mess up once or twice, and also so you can learn how long you need to hold the curl for. As someone who has tried curling wands, straighteners and regular curling irons without any luck being able to curl my hair, this was a saving grace. This product has changed my outlook on curling my stick straight hair. It is the easiest and quickest way to give my long hair full-bodied curls. This is such a great invention and well worth the money, even though it is cheaper than other ones on the market. 10/10 would recommend. Love 2 features. It beeps to tell you when to take out the hair from the iron, and you can choose the direction of the curls. Took me a few tries to get the hang of it, but it works like a charm and makes beautiful bouncy curls and waves, so worth it. Price: takes me 20 minutes to curl my hair as opposed to an hour. Best hairstyling purchase ever. It beeps when the temperature is ready, and it also beeps when it is done curling for you to release the curls. You can grab sections or let the iron grab it for you, and once you find what works best, you can complete your style that much faster. But for thin hair, it doesn't hang on at the barrel, so it falls out and you barely get a curl. This curler is fantastic. It has a very small learning curve, but once you get it curling, your hair is easier than ever. If you really like me, the first couple tries might be trial error, since it's a totally different way than with an old-fashioned curling iron. Takes a little practice, but once you have it down, it's the best curling iron ever. You don't need to even separate sections of hair. Normally it takes over an hour to do my hair, but with this it's 20 minutes. Time saver and lifesaver. Once you get it down, the twisting action, you can really do it with one hand. You can determine the volume by how much hair you put on the barrel and by how long you leave it on the hair. It beeps when the curl is done, so there is no guessing as to how long to keep the wand on the hair. Love that the function can go inward curl or outward. This is the only curling iron that does this besides the Baby Bliss at Ulta that is 200. Worked for my hair and my daughter's long hair to her waist. Hers is thick, mine is thin. Extremely impressed and very pleased with this purchase. My hair is thick, long and straight, making it very hard to curl. This is a different curler that once you get the hang of it is really fun and does curl your hair well. My hair is thin but long, and these curls lasted for 3 days with gel. The best curling iron ever. 10 minutes and done. With this issue, it is taking me much longer to try to curl my hair, and the curls do not seem to be as long lasting. Where has this been all my life? I've never had time to style my hair, let alone curl it, but whoa, less than 10 minutes and my super long thick hair looks perfect. The iron does get super hot, so do not hold any longer than when it beeps to let you know to release. My hair normally doesn't hold a curl, but does when curled with this. Do wish it had a larger barrel attachment though. You can put the Instawave anywhere on your head and get the kind curls you want and where you want them. As someone who is very lazy, clumsy when it comes to doing hair beyond blow drying it or straightening, this product has been a godsend. Also, the auto rotating teeth make it possible to grab the hair and do this with one hand, which is ideal for those with dexterity issues. The KISS Instawave allows you to make great barrel curls, and you can put a large piece of hair into it at a time, which truly cuts down on hair curling time. It took a few trials, but the curls look amazing and hold all day without any hairspray. You can get pretty tight ringlets or do wavy beachy curls. It takes a little while to get the hang of this, but once you do, it is totally worth it. Love this product. In the past, after burning my hair with curling irons and spraying tons of hairspray, my curls might stay a few hours. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.